Hi, welcome to my channel Excel Max and Board. Today we will see applied mathematics topic modular arithmetic. Okay, so what does modular arithmetic says? Let a and b be two integers and m is a positive number. See, it is given two integers and m is a positive number greater than 1. Then a is said to be congruent to b modulo m if m divides a minus b. So normally it is written as A is congruent to B modulo M. Okay, means what? What is say A minus B is divisible by M. Or I can say A minus B is a multiple of M. Is a multiple of M. I can say it is divisible by M or it is a multiple of M. That is what you should understood as. Also, if A is congruent to B mod M and C is congruent to D mod M, both modulus are same, then I can say, see, add the right hand side and the left hand side separately. So A plus C is congruent to B plus C mod M. You can multiply also. A into C is congruent to B into D mod M. Even if you subtract, then also it will hold good. A minus C is congruent to B minus D mod M. It is not only for 2, it is for any numbers like A plus B plus C is congruent to B plus D plus E. You can add or multiply any numbers. This will hold good. So we might be using these results also while doing the sums. Now let us understand this by working out some sums. Say true or false. 27 is congruent to 3 mod 4. Say yes or no. What does the theorem says? The theorem says A is congruent to B mod M. If then it should be A minus B should be divisible by M. Correct? So we will check. This is A and this is B and this is M. So A minus B. A minus B is 27 minus 3 which is 24. 24 is divisible by 4, so the statement is true. Similarly here, this is A, this is B, this is M. We move on to the next. We are doing the next example. 11 minus 56. 11 minus 56 is what? Negative 45. Negative 45 is also divisible by 9 only, correct? So this is also divisible. A minus B is divisible by M. So this statement is also correct. Next we move on to the next one. A is minus 4 minus B is minus 114. That is positive 110. Positive 110 is divisible by 11. So this statement is also true. Now we'll move on to the last one, 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. We get the reminder, right? So 12 is not divisible by 9. So the statement is false. So this is how you should check or find the missing numbers if needed. Now we'll move on to this sum. If 150 is congruent to 10 mod m, 10 mod m, find the values of m. So here he has not given you the divisor. Instead he has given you what is the dividend, what is the remainder, and he is asking you what is the divisor. So we know that here A is 150, B is 10. So A minus B is 140. 140 is divisible by M. That is what is given us, right? So what are all the values of M? So 140 is divisible by M means M is a factor of 140, correct? Then only you can divide 140. M is equal to 2, 4, 5, 7, 14, 20, 10, 28, 35, 70, 140. I have not mentioned 1 here because theorem says other than 1. Now let us move on to the next sum. Find the values of x. So if 28 is congruent to x mod 6, find the set of all values of x. So if 28 is congruent to x mod 6, then I can say 28 minus x is divisible by 6, or I can write it is a multiple of 6. In either way you can write divisible or multiple of 6. Then I can say 28 minus x is equal to 6m, where m is any integer. Any integer. So x is equal to 28 minus 6m. So as you keep on substituting the values of x, m, you will get the answer. So x is m is 0, it is 28, m is 1, it is 22, m is 2, 16, it goes on. M is negative 1, it is 34, m is negative 2, it is 40, and it goes on this side also because m is an integer. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Prove that 3 power 500 is congruent to 2 mod 7. So we know that 3 square equal to 9 is congruent to 2 mod 7. It's not necessary that you should also stop with this 2, because in the question it is asked for 2. Because I know 9, when I divide it by 7, I give the remainder 2. I have mentioned it. Now I also know 3 cube is 27. 27 is congruent to negative 1 mod 7. Because 28 is a multiple of 7, but so that I get the remainder as negative 1. Now instead of 2, negative 1 is easier for me. So now this I want 3 power 500. So I express this 3 power 3 in terms of 3 power 500. So 500 when divided by 3 gives 1s are 3, 20, 6 are 18, again 20, 6 are 18, remainder is 2. So 166. 3 power 3 raised to the power 166 is congruent to minus 1 raised to the power 166 mod 7. So I can write this is 3 power 498 is congruent to 1 mod 7. Minus 1 raised to even number is always positive. Now I want 3 power 500. So 3 power 498 into 3 square is 1 into 3 square mod 7. Both sides are multiplying by 3 square. So this is 9. So this side I can write as 3 power 500 is congruent to 9. 9 we just know that it is congruent to 2 mod 7, hence. Is that clear? We will move on to the next sum. Find the least non-negative remainder. Non-negative remainder when 5 power 10 is divided by 7. So again 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25. 25 is congruent to 4 mod 7. Correct? 5 square is congruent to 4 mod 7. Now 5 power 4 is congruent to 5 power 4. I have just raised to the power 4. 2. So 4 square mod 7. 4 square is nothing but 16. 16 is nothing but 2. When divided by 7 leaves remainder 2 mod 7. So 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 the whole square is 2 square mod 7, which is equal to 4 mod 7. Correct. Now this is 5 power 8. Now 5 power 8 into 5 square is 4 into 5 square mod 7, which is 5 square mod 7 is 2. 4 again, 4 into 4 is 16 again. So 16 when divided by 7 gives remainder 2. So 3 power 10, 5 power 10 is congruent to 2 mod 7. This is the answer. Hope you follow it. It is not necessary that you should always keep doing like this. It is your choice. Now I have taken 5 square here, then raised to the power on both sides. So I have ended up with 5 power 8. 5 power 10 is the question. So 2 short. So multiplied by 5 square on both the sides. I know that 5 square is 25 is congruent to 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. Again 16 is congruent to 2 mod 7. So this is the final answer. Find the remainder when this product is divisible by divided by 9. So we need not multiply and make it as a bigger number. By using the theorem, I can write 79 is congruent to 2 mod 11 because 77. 101 again 99, right? So this is also leaves remainder 2 when divided by 11. Then it is 125. 125 when divided by 11 leaves remainder 4. So I have done separately for each number. Now I should multiply. Therefore, 79 into 101 into 125 is congruent to 2 into 2 into 4 mod 11. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 when divided by 11 gives 5 as the remainder. So the final answer is 5 mod 11. Hope you are following it. And soon we will see you in the next video. If you like this video, do subscribe. Thank you, children. Bye.